English for Everyone. Coursebook Level 2. Business English. Lesson 11.
Use the present continuous to inform clients about current situations and future arrangements. Continuous tenses can also soften questions and requests.
We are aiming to give you a full progress report. We are still waiting for a part from our supplier. We are having a meeting with the IT department later today. Malik is talking to HR next week to discuss the noise issues.
The press conference is starting soon. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Let's head over there now. Could you let me know when Susanna can see the design for our new packaging?
Andrew and I are working on it right now. I'll call you when the design is ready. We've had a lot of complaints from our customers recently. How are we going to deal with them?
Well, Brian is calling some of the customers tomorrow to apologize. We're meeting to discuss our pricing strategy this afternoon. I hope you can make it.
Yes, of course. What time exactly is the meeting?
It's at 3 o'clock.
I'm just looking at the ads for our new range of cars. They look great.
To assure. To hesitate. To prefer. To obtain. To confirm. To inform. To contact. To request.
We are hoping to deliver your order next Monday. I was wondering if we could meet at your office. Will you be attending the launch of our soft drink range?
Will you be attending the launch of the new car this afternoon? I was wondering if you would meet the clients at their factory. We are having difficulties with deliveries due to the weather. Will you be paying for the order by bank transfer or credit card?
We are aiming to finish the redecorating by next Wednesday. We are aiming to complete the job tomorrow. We are still waiting to hear from our supplier. I was wondering if you could call me back. Will you be attending the progress meeting next week?
End of Lesson 11. Thanks for watching.